Hi. See, this is the mortar which we are preparing. This has clay, which is like pure clay, more than 50% of clay sand. In this we have included one more sand, which is sand particles of 3 mm to 10 mm, which has stones also. So yes, we are preparing mortar, and in this we have added methi water. This is methi water. See, we have used this chenni so that there will be no methi seeds into it. In this way we have used it. So this is methi water. We have mixed this methi water plus jaggery water into this, which is 4 days earlier one. We are including some parts of this tudi, which is fiber. This fiber we are using for maintaining the insulation and for not getting cracks. So this is total fiber. In this we include some gobar also, which is again a sticky particle which will maintain the stickiness, and bonding happens with this gobar. And this we will include more than 5 to 6% of lime, and this I can't mix this. Why? Because I should use the shoes. Chalo, stop.